Day 21. If you made it through most of the series, we've made it through 21 straight days. Today is the closeout and the handoff. And I say we because you guys were here for it as well. The comments, questions, the input, you were here for it, and I appreciate it. I'm not going to recap every day, but I'm going to give you the outcomes, what surprised me, and what changes after today. So the first outcome, after the assembly of all the printers, we did a stress test, and we confirmed that the farm was operationable. They gave us insight into the potential bottlenecks that we would be facing. Outcome 2, that environment control is just as important as running prints. The installation and use of our dehumidifier, air scrubber, and air monitor are just as important as any other critical aspect of this farm. Outcome 3, product exploration is just as important as product contemplation. Even exploring prototypes can help create an intended focus. Outcome 4, photos and presentation aren't just theory, they are a reality. The time we invested to ensure that we have a proper space for that ensures a lifetime of quality integration into our sales. Outcome number 5, comparison is just as important as production. Taking the time to see where your product falls in line with an already established product gives you the ability to meet expectations and thrive in a sometimes crowded marketplace. And outcome number 6, cost savings can be scaled without the sacrifice of quality to ensure a competitive edge in the marketplace. And with all of the constructiveness from the outcomes throughout this journey, I was also able to reflect on some of the potential bottlenecks. Printing isn't so much of an issue. It's the process before, during, and after. Organization, clearing plates, filament loading and unloading, and cost evaluation are all very important parts. Attention to these are needed and just as important as any other part of the entire process. So after today, the daily uploads stop. Not because the work stops, but because this is just the beginning. During this process, I was able to bring you along as I set up just a small portion of the farm to try to show and emphasize the potential of this manufacturing process. I hope that point was made clear and that it has inspired you as well to pursue your own potential in this field. You were able to get a behind the scenes look of nothing to something. The future is bright. The opportunities are endless. I will continue to post weekly uploads, documenting and showing my journey throughout this entire endeavor. I hope you come along and share your own insights, theories, questions, and concerns. And together, we can change the outlook of our tomorrow by investing into today. Again, it doesn't stop here. It's just beginning. The amount of strategies, products, and outcomes that will be implemented and shown are great. So this isn't goodbye. This is welcome. Now that the stage has been set, production and outcomes can begin. If you haven't yet, make sure to like and subscribe, because every week we will be documenting and showing the next step in creating a 3D printing business. So after 3 weeks, I want to say thank you, congratulations, and I hope to see you along the way as we create something new. As always, this is Jake with CubFlo Prints, and I'll see you soon.